Here's a trick. Here's a trick for everybody. Give everybody a trick before we'll just do a little trick. Everybody, how do you talk underwater? That's it. Hello, my name is Michael. What's your? But you have to be clear. Now, I did a show with Frank Welker. It's Ace something. Ace Space. Ace Space. And I had to talk underwater. I was snorks. I had to talk underwater. And I did not know how to do that. And so I had some coffee. And I kept doing this and kept gurgling and choking. And I was really going through it. And Gordon Hunt said, okay, just, we'll move on from there. Frank, let Frank do his, then you do yours. I said, okay, fine, I'll work it out. And Frank got up and he had to talk underwater. He went, hi, this is Rocky. How do I do that? I said, Frank, why didn't you tell me how to do that? Because he said, so much fun watching you. He said, it was really fun watching you choke and drown over there on your coffee. I said, God, that was so easy. So I learned while working. So that's the trick to talking underwater. You can do it with friends when you call them.